Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 44mm GPS only. This is eBay refurbished, very good condition for 70 bucks plus tax and shipping. Okay, this is the refurbished paper. Yes, just info on the order. Okay, well, it's definitely not the original box. Samsung original boxes, this is very neat for sure. Okay, here's the watch itself. Charger. You can see it was a little dirty, so they could have wiped that down. And wall charger. Looks used for sure. Intel USB for here. You can definitely see that it's used. They didn't clean it too well. Let's look at the watch itself. The watch itself looks okay. Let us see it fully. Okay. You can tell it was used, but the screen looks okay. See if it turns on. Okay, so we have to charge it and then see if it actually turns on, because there's no instructions. This paper is just information about the return policy. Okay. I have to charge this some and see if actually turn it on. Connect it to my phone and see, try it out and then write a review on it. But for now, the watch itself doesn't look too bad. We'll see once we charge it, see if it'll turn on. Alright.